ready once again. Gates open, they're up and racing. Amsterdam draws for your lead. Ice Storm moving up at the center. Then comes My Jopeng. In between runners comes Sentry number 3, and that's 9 Dragon as they leave the straight. Amsterdam running by the rail. Ice Storm is sorry outside. 9 Dragon now catching the third spot. Significant other My Jopeng moving up in between runners. Then running on the outside. Fields of Gold. Go! Vinny and Mega Red is in behind them as they move towards the back. 2 runners keep on fighting it out for the lead. Amsterdam running by the rail by a neck, running on the outside. Ice Storm, then watching in 39 Dragon, then followed over now by entry number 5, and that's My Jopeng. Go! Vinny also closing in together with Mega Red on the outside as they race towards the last 450 with Amsterdam still leading the field. Ice Storm remains in second, getting closer in third is the favorite 9 Dragon as they swing for home with Amsterdam still leading the field. Ice Storm remains in second, 9 Dragon is on the outside. Go! Vinny, and down the stretch they come. Amsterdam still leading the field. Ice Storm sorry outside. 9 Dragon moving up, but Amsterdam still leading the field. Ice Storm opted to run down on the inside, and 9 Dragon with 50 meters. It's a wire-to-wire win coming from Amsterdam second and 9 Dragon. Then comes Ice Storm. Go Vinny.
By Amsterdam.